I think there are going to be many benefits from the trials in the future. The benefits are happening now with the people in the trial, but for the patients in the years ahead, there's going to be many more benefits, so keep up the good work. My name's Gill. I came home from work one day with a really bad earache, which resulted in my left eardrum perforating, and I had a series of ear infections over the next 6 months, which left me with tinnitus. And I saw a consultant, and he said that I could have the tinnitus for 6 weeks, 6 months, 6 years, but 23 years further down the line, I still have it. But fortunately, I've learned to live with it. I had a job. I was a primary school teacher in a noisy environment, and so I learned, or my brain learned, to switch off the tinnitus during the working days, certainly. I became involved in the trial, in the tinnitus trial, because, as I said before, 23 years ago, when the tinnitus was diagnosed, the consultant I saw said, "I don't know much about tinnitus. We don't really understand what it's all about." And now, here and now, research is being done, and I felt when I was approached in the audiology clinic to take part in the trial that yes, I wanted to be part of it, because I'd had no help as such during the many years that I've had tinnitus. I felt even if it couldn't help me, it could help others in the future. The benefits I've gained from this trial are I now have hearing aids which have helped mask my tinnitus during the day. I'm still learning with the tinnitus because of the trial, because when I take my hearing aids out, my brain, I know, has to have a wind-up time to switch off the tinnitus. I've learned how to relax more with the CD tapes that I was given. Because of the trial, I felt more comfortable talking about the tinnitus with other people. I would tell friends what I'd been doing. I discovered that there were a lot of people out there with tinnitus that just hadn't voiced it, but because I'd voiced it, they told me about their experiences. Because I've talked about it, people have become more aware, and I've managed to recruit quite a few people for the control group of the trial to do similar tests to help in the research. So I found it quite a positive experience. The support by the researchers and the staff at the research centre I thought was exemplary. Everyone was very friendly, supportive. Any questions that I had, people were very clear in answering my queries and put me at ease very quickly. It was a very pleasant environment to do the tests in, both here at the Ropork and at the university. So I found it a very comfortable and enjoyable experience. I enjoyed it because I learned a lot about myself and my hearing and the tinnitus. I have hearing aids at the beginning of the trial, and they were part of the trial in that the researchers were looking at how hearing aids can help tinnitus. And I must say, wearing them has really helped my hearing in so many various social contexts.